Good morning to all of you. I'm Seema Saraswat from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Jalali. Today our topic is nutrition in plants for class 7. This is chapter 1. Today we are going to learn about the mode of nutrition. Before that we can see nutrients, the components of food that are necessary for our body like carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Nutrition and its mode. The process of taking food by any organism and using it by their body is called as nutrition. There are two types of nutrition, autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. Auto means self, troph means nourishment. That means they are making their own food. All green plants comes in this category. Heterotrophs. Hetero means other. Trophs means nourishment. That means they are taking nourishment from others. So heterotrophs take ready-made food prepared by plants. Example, all animals and human beings. Mode of nutrition. Modes of nutrition. Nutrition we can classify into two categories, autotrophic and heterotrophic. Autotrophic, all green plants. And in heterotrophic, just you can see in flowchart, parasitic, saprophytic, symbiotic, and epiphytic. Mode of nutrition, we are going to learn about parasitic nutrition, saprophytic nutrition, symbiotic relationship, and insectivorous plants. So first is the parasitic nutrition. In parasitic nutrition, an organism means parasite lives on the body surface or inside the body of another type of organism which is called host. Parasites are dependent on their host for survival since the host provide nutrition and protection. Example, you can see a Cuscuta amarpale. In this example, you can see this picture. Cuscuta is yellow tubular structure. They cannot do the photosynthesis, but they are surviving on the green plants. So they can take the ready-made food from the plants. So this is the example of parasite in plants, Cuscuta or amarpale. Next is the saprophytic nutrition. Saprophytic nutrition, organism take nutrients in solution form from dead and decaying organic matter. Plants with saprophytic nutrition are called as saprotrophs. Best example is the mushroom and fungus. You have seen during rainy season, some umbrella like a white structure you can see in the dead and decaying organic matter. So this is the mushroom, which is very common. You can see during rainy season. Next is the symbiotic relationship. Sym means together, biosis means living. Organisms that live together and share shelter and nutrients have symbiotic relationship. They are mutually benefiting each other. Example is lichen on trees. You can see on the bark of tree green patches, that is alga, and brown surface is the fungus. So fungus provides shelter and algae provides food. So mutually they are going to benefit each other. Next is the insectivorous plants. The insectivorous plants, as the name indicates, they are eating insects. The plants which can trap insects and digest them are insectivorous plants. The insects are digested by the digestive juices secreted by these plants. These plants don't get all the nutrients from soil, so they depend on nutrients from insect bodies. Example, you can see the picture plant. This is picture like a structure and having this lid. In case insects are coming on this surface, they are having a sticky surface which makes the insect to go down, and the lid is going to close. Afterwards, they are going to digest the insect. Thank you all. I hope you have understood. Stay safe, stay healthy.